Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 35 from ISS 2019 paper 2. In this question, we are told that the estimator whose variance attains the CR-LB or Cramer-Rao lower bound for estimating the variance of a normal distribution with mean 0 is whether 1 by n minus 1 sum over xi minus x bar whole square or 1 by n sum over xi minus x bar whole square or 1 by n sum over xi square or 1 by n minus 1 sum over xi square. Okay. We know that CR/LB or Cramer-Rao lower bound is gamma prime theta's whole square divided by I theta. Here theta is equals to sigma square, as mean is 0, therefore the only parameter is sigma square. Therefore gamma theta is equals to theta, therefore gamma prime theta is equals to 1, and I theta is nothing but expectation of minus expectation of del 2 del theta square ln f of x curve, or minus n expectation of del 2 del theta square ln f of x. So first we write the density function, which is f of x, and it is nothing but 1 by sigma root over 2 pi e to the power minus half sigma square x square, where x is belongs to real line. Now as we know that theta is equals to sigma square, therefore sigma is equals to root over theta, that is we get 1 by root over 2 pi theta e to the power minus 1 by 2 theta x square, where x is belongs to r. Therefore ln f of x is minus half ln 2 pi theta and minus 1 by 2 theta x square. Therefore del theta ln f of x is equals to minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 pi theta multiplied by 2 pi. Okay, and here we get plus 1 by 2 theta square x square. Here 2 pi cancels out, we get 1 by 2 theta plus 1 by 2 theta square x square. Okay, now if we again do the derivative with respect to theta, therefore we get 1 by 2 theta square minus 2 by 2 theta cube multiplied by x square. Therefore we get expectation of del square del theta square ln f x is equals to 1 by 2 theta square minus 1 by theta cube expectation of x square. Now expectation of x square is nothing but the variance of x. Now variance of x is sigma square, and here we assume that sigma square is equals to theta. Therefore we get minus 1 by theta square. So here we get minus half multiplied by 1 by theta square. So minus n expectation of del square del theta square ln f of x results in minus n by 2 theta square. Therefore n by 2 theta square. So the CR/LB will be 2 theta square divided by n. Okay. Now as xi's are following normal 0 comma theta, where theta is equals to sigma square, we can say that xi divided by root over theta following normal 0, 1. Okay, and also n minus 1 is square by theta following chi square n minus 1. So variance of n minus 1 is square divided by theta is equals to 2 into n minus 1. Therefore variance of a square is equals to 2 into n minus 1 theta square divided by n minus 1 whole square, which results in 2 theta square divided by n minus 1. Okay, so variance of a square is equals to 2 theta square divided by n minus 1, which is the option A, because we know that this is nothing but a square. So variance of a square doesn't attain the CRLB. So option A is a wrong option. Now check the option B. The option B, let denoted by T2, is 1 by n sum over xi minus x bar whole square. Or we can write n T2 is n minus 1 s square. Therefore n T2 divided by sigma square following chi square n minus 1, and variance of n T2 divided by sigma square is equals to 2 into n minus 1. So this implies variance of T2 is equals to 2 into n minus 1 sigma to the power 4 divided by n square, which is also not equals to CRLB. So option B is also a wrong option. Now let's check the option C. Let it is denoted by T3, which is 1 by n sum over xi square. Now variance of T3 is equals to 1 by n square variance of sum over xi square. So we get 2n sigma to the power 4 divided by n square, which results in 2 sigma to the power 4 divided by n, or 2 theta square divided by n. Okay, now 2 theta square divided by n is equals to the CRLB. So we can say that the option C is the correct option. As it is a MCQ type question, therefore there is no need to check the last option, as there is only one correct answer here. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.